Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of aging and exploring the 12 hallmarks of aging. These hallmarks are key biological processes that drive aging and are critical to understanding how we can potentially slow down or even reverse the aging process. The concept of the hallmarks of aging was formalized in a groundbreaking paper published in 2013 by a group of renowned researchers in the field of aging, including Carlos López-Otín, Maria Blasco, Linda Partridge, Manuel Serrano, and Guido Kroemer. Their work built upon decades of prior research into the biological mechanisms of aging. These scientists reviewed the extensive body of literature on aging and identified common underlying mechanisms that appeared to drive the aging process. They proposed that these mechanisms could be grouped into 9 interconnected hallmarks that characterize aging in most organisms, with 3 additional hallmarks being identified later, expanding our understanding of this complex process. One, genomic instability. Think of our DNA as a detailed instruction manual for our bodies. Imagine this manual being bombarded with typos and errors. That's genomic instability. Damage to our DNA that accumulates over time. This damage can be caused by toxins, radiation, and metabolic processes. As damage builds up, it disrupts vital instructions, contributing to aging and age-related diseases like cancer. 2. Telomere shortening. Let's imagine our DNA as shoelaces and telomeres as the protective caps at the ends. These caps, our telomeres, are repetitive DNA sequences that protect our chromosomes from damage and degradation. Every time a cell divides, its telomeres get a little bit shorter. Eventually, when telomeres become critically short, they can no longer protect the DNA, causing the cell to stop dividing and enter a state called senescence, or even die. This progressive shortening of telomeres is like a gradual wearing down of the protective caps on our DNA, leading to cellular aging. While telomere shortening is a natural part of aging, certain factors like stress, smoking, and poor diet can accelerate this process, leading to premature aging and age-related diseases. However, there's hope. Lifestyle interventions like a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management have been shown to slow down telomere attrition. Let's move beyond the hardware of our DNA and talk about its software, epigenetics, the 3rd hallmark of aging. Imagine our DNA as a vast library of genes, and epigenetics as the librarian who decides which books or genes are accessible. Epigenetic changes don't alter the DNA sequence but influence how genes are expressed. These changes are influenced by our environment, lifestyle, and even our thoughts and emotions. The good news is that epigenetic changes are potentially reversible. This opens up exciting possibilities for healthy aging and disease prevention. This is when proteins go haywire. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, responsible for countless tasks. Our cells rely on a delicate balance of protein synthesis, folding, and degradation, proteostasis. As we age, our cells become less efficient at maintaining this balance. This leads to the accumulation of damaged and misfolded proteins, causing cellular dysfunction and contributing to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Imagine a cell's recycling center getting clogged. Macroautophagy is the process by which cells remove and recycle damaged components. As we age, this system becomes less efficient, leading to the buildup of cellular debris. This impairment can cause cellular dysfunction and contribute to various age-related diseases. Boosting autophagy through certain diets and exercise might help maintain cellular health. Deregulated nutrient sensing. Think of your body as a finely tuned engine that runs on specific fuels. Nutrient sensing pathways, like insulin and IGF-1 signaling and mTOR, regulate our body's response to nutrient availability. As we age, these pathways become deregulated, impacting metabolism and energy balance. Adjusting our diets and using medications to target these pathways might help promote healthy aging. Mitochondrial dysfunction. The powerhouse starts to flicker. These tiny organelles are responsible for producing energy, a bit like cellular power plants that keep everything running smoothly. As we age, our mitochondria, those energy powerhouses, start to experience wear and tear. This decline in mitochondrial function means our cells produce less energy, leading to fatigue, weakness, and a decline in overall cellular performance. Dysfunctional mitochondria also produce more harmful byproducts called free radicals, which can damage cellular components like DNA, proteins, and fats. This mitochondrial dysfunction contributes to various age-related diseases, including heart disease, neurodegenerative disorders, and even cancer. It's like the power plant starting to emit pollutants that harm the surrounding environment. Cellular senescence, the zombie apocalypse within. Imagine a cell that's reached retirement age. It can no longer divide and perform its usual functions optimally. Instead of quietly fading away, these cells enter a state called senescence, where they linger in the body, secreting inflammatory molecules and disrupting the surrounding tissue. These senescent cells are like zombie cells. They're not quite dead, but not fully functional either. They accumulate with age and contribute to inflammation, tissue damage, and the development of age-related diseases. Cellular senescence is a complex process influenced by various factors, including telomere shortening, DNA damage, and oxidative stress. While some level of senescence is a natural part of aging, its excessive accumulation can have detrimental effects. Stem cell exhaustion. The wellspring of renewal runs dry. Imagine our bodies as constantly evolving landscapes, with old, damaged cells being replaced by new, healthy ones. This renewal process is driven by stem cells, the body's master cells with the remarkable ability to differentiate into various cell types. However, as we age, the activity and number of these stem cells decline, like a construction crew shrinking in size and efficiency. This stem cell exhaustion means our bodies become less efficient at repairing damage and regenerating tissues, leading to a decline in organ function and an increased susceptibility to age-related diseases. It's like the construction crews becoming overwhelmed with repair requests, leading to a backlog of unfinished projects and a gradual deterioration of the infrastructure. Altered intercellular communication. When cells lose their social network, imagine our bodies as bustling cities, with trillions of cells constantly communicating and coordinating their activities. This intricate network of intercellular communication is essential for maintaining tissue and organ function. As we age, however, the lines of communication between cells can become disrupted, like phone lines getting crossed or messages getting lost in translation. This impaired communication can lead to misinterpretations, delays, and a breakdown in coordination among cells. This altered intercellular communication contributes to inflammation, immune dysfunction, and the development of age-related diseases. Chronic inflammation, the eternal flame. Imagine a small fire in your body that never goes out. Chronic inflammation is a persistent, low-level inflammatory response that can damage tissues and contribute to various age-related diseases, such as arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. It is often driven by accumulated cellular damage and senescent cells. Managing chronic inflammation through diet, exercise, and medications can help reduce its harmful effects. Dysbiosis, the gut's downfall. Think of your gut as a bustling city of microbes that help keep you healthy. Dysbiosis is the imbalance of these microbial communities, often leading to the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. This imbalance can cause gut inflammation, immune dysfunction, and has been linked to a variety of age-related diseases, including metabolic disorders and neurodegenerative diseases. Maintaining a healthy diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics can support a balanced gut microbiome. Understanding the 12 hallmarks of aging provides valuable insights into the biological processes driving aging. By targeting these hallmarks, scientists hope to develop interventions that can slow down or even reverse the aging process, improving health and longevity. Stay tuned for more videos on the latest scientific discoveries and health tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.